Hi, Karen here, and today I'm explaining you how to use Google Gemini. Gemini, formerly known as Bard, is a new conversational AI available for free on every Google account. Created by none other than Google itself, Gemini combines the knowledge of the search results and other tools of Google with the artificial intelligence and creativity of linguistic models created by Google for years now. Before I explain how to use this AI, you need to know that there are 3 criteria to access it. You must be over 18, you must have a Google account, and your email address must end with gmail.com. If your Google account is linked to your company, so that your email ends with your company's domain name, you must either change your Google account or ask the creator of your email address to accept Gemini's use. If you're not sure if your Google account is managed by your company, you can click on the 3 little dots on the top right-hand corner on your Google Chrome screen. I show you the difference at the same time of an account that is not linked to a company. As you can see, if your Google account is managed by a company, you'll see your company's websites at the bottom. Now that that's out of the way, how do you access this AI? Whether you're on a computer, a tablet, or a phone, the process is super simple. Just search for Gemini in Google and click on gemini.google.com. And you're there. If your Google account wasn't already connected, you can connect it right now here. If you're on Android, you can directly download the Google Gemini extension from the Play Store. Please note that whether you're using Google Chrome, an application, or another search engine, the specific features and availability of Gemini may vary according to region and Google updates. In any case, to guarantee the best experience, check that your browser, if you're on a computer, or your app, if you're on a tablet or phone, is updated. Okay, now that we're here, you can click on Chat with Gemini. As it's your first time, you'll have to accept the terms of use, and once it's done, you can chat with Gemini. As you can see, the idea is to create discussions and ask Gemini various things, which they will try to answer as best as they can. You can also ask them for advice. Remember to be specific in order that Gemini gives you a more precise answer. For example, if you want tips on how to write a LinkedIn post, ask something like, I'd like to talk about in a LinkedIn post. How can I write a LinkedIn post well enough to keep the reader's attention right to the end? But mostly don't forget that you're talking to an AI connected to Google. So this AI has access to Google results. That means you can send it website links and ask for information on them, article summaries, anything you like. You can even request a specific type and format of answer. It can be a summary, details, references, a paragraph, a list, a graphic, an image, a video, anything you like. The AI isn't yet capable of generating files on its own, but it can look them up for you on internet. Gemini can also analyze for you. You can provide it with the text and ask for their feedback. What's more, you can ask them to modify their answer, to make it shorter, longer, simpler, more familiar, or more professional. In short, this AI is incredible and free, so go check it out. I'll leave you an article in the description to see more tips on how to use Gemini. If you liked the video, consider subscribing, it's always a pleasure. And of course, if you have any questions, I'm waiting for you in the comment section below. See you soon for more videos.